doing a service call. For one of Dave's fine water heaters. So this is 40,000 BTU, and they got it on like a 3/8 supply line, like a dryer line here. Well, that might be part of the problem. So the truck go round and round. Thermobile voltage. I can see that. it's got low gas pressure. That's what I think. Come on, any problems? So gas is coming out of the valve, but it seems a little bit low, and the pilot tube is not blocked. I can't see the spark. It's way over in the corner and way out of view. So maybe. Maybe I can use a mirror here. This is one of Dave's fine water heaters. Maybe with a mirror, he said. Good job for all spark right there. It's not working. I think it's let's see, maybe you guys can see it. Report back to me. Using the camera. I can't even see the, I can't see shit here. Okay, so a couple problems. One, it's so crammed over in this corner. Like, I can't look at the light, mirrors aren't working, cameras are...
Destination is on your right, 2880 Webster Avenue.
Can't use my camera.
Arrived.
So, I don't know if I don't have gas or I don't have spark. And I I can't really pull the burner assembly out. Maybe. I don't want to go that far without establishing some things. Ah, there it was. I just heard it. Glad I didn't start ripping stuff apart. Let's see if I can see the flame here. With a mirror, like a prisoner. Okay, there it is. When the valve came up, pilot light is holding. Okay, got it lit. I don't know if you guys can see in there at all. It looks like it's the piezo igniter. So I got this little mirror, kind of helps out a little bit. And what else did I get? I got some gifts. I was on a service call. The guy was really nice, and I got this angle. It's for unscrewing something at an angle. Little Milwaukee. Alright, so I could have pulled this burner assembly out with these. But he gave me the mirror, and he gave me the little, I don't know what that thing's called, angle turner. I don't know. Anyway, so wrong gas line on here. So I'm gonna let them know that they probably need to change this gas line, increase the volume of the gas. I don't like these particular Honeywell valves. They've got all these extra wires in here. I'm not sure what the year of this thing is. I think it's a 2012. Let me look it up. Looks like an FJ. There we go. Bradford White's website, FJ, right? Oh yeah. So let's see, F is 2008. So this is like one of the first generations of Honeywell valves. It's either, what's this other one? 1989 or 2008. So this is a 2008. So yeah, these are, I hate these things. I don't have parts for them. They use these old wiring connectors here. Totally different size. Oh yeah, anyway, we got her lit. That was just the piezo igniter, which I'd have to shut this thing down to change the igniter. And I'll leave them with this one. Alright, leave them with this little piece of crap. So I'll just tell them that I had had no trouble lighting it. That'll be our little secret. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. So before you rip everything apart, sometimes these things just don't put out enough voltage. These little piezo igniters right here. And you can take it apart and kind of hold it up to your hand and push it. And I can kind of judge the strength of it by doing that. So you kind of take it apart like this. It's shooting out a little bit of voltage, but it's probably starting to go since it's from 2008. And I just came in with one off a different water heater. First one didn't get it going, so maybe it was defective, and then I grabbed a different one and that got it up. But this line right here, this gas line, way too small for 40,000 BTU. So it should be a 1/2 inch. That's like 3/8. I think the next size is like 7/8 or 5/8 or something. So she seems to be running pretty good. Anyway, quick service call. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. And you guys have a great day.